Workers place solid wood boards on this platform, and the camera automatically scans the board outline within 1 second, avoiding various defects such as bug, crack, and knots. The maximum processing length is 3 meters. The maximum processing width is 65 centimeters, and the maximum processing thickness is 10 centimeters. Any board within these dimensions can be proceeded. This is the cutting area. When the scanning and nesting is done, the cutting machine will cut the board automatically. This is a beach board with natural edge, featuring various defects including bug, knots, cracks, and more. Within 1 second, the system will automatically identify the usable areas of the board using AI algorithms. Of course, we also support manual defect marking. Simply use chalk to mark the board, and the system will recognize the marked areas as defects. As you can see, this area has been identified as a defect. Currently, we support most types of wood available on the market, including but not limited to black walnut, oak, beech, maple, teak, acacia, and more. After scanning is completed, the system will initiate automatic nesting. We only need to import the CAD file of the product. Once imported, we can set the priority level. With a higher priority, it will be nested first. The quantity of products to be proceeded can also be specified. Under the same priority level, large areas will be nested first. By clicking the automatic nesting button, the system will quickly generate an optimal nesting layout that maximizes material utilization based on the board and the product types, while automatically avoiding defects. After nesting is completed, a processing report will be generated, including information such as board dimensions, thickness, utilization rate, and the details of the proceed parts. After the nesting is done, the cutting machine will start to work automatically. The maximum cutting speed is 5 meters per minute. We have 3 cutting tools, 5 millimeters, 6 millimeters, and 8 millimeters, based on the density and the thickness of the board. Scanning and cutting are independent systems. Therefore, while the cutting machine is in operation, scanning and nesting can be performed simultaneously. The Jingxinghe AI solid wood cutting machine replaces processes like marking, cross-cutting, and bandsaw cutting. It is simple to operate and reduce reliance on skilled workers for solid wood preparation.